am. Welcome to Snuggle with Mama. Here's my gorgeous, who are you, Prince? Yes, you are. My little puppy. Where is my other puppy? Come here, come here, come here. Oh, oh. You are not light anymore. So this is my all day long joy. I hope you can hear me well. And that is why I could not have any lipstick. Because we get lots of hugs and kisses, right? Lots of hugs and kisses. Usually I'm napping in here and they could be like lay down right on the top of my pillow, licking my face in the morning. So we have a two. They will be 5 months old on March 8th. Yeah, they should have a home, but we don't just give our puppy to anybody. We want to have a perfect... What you doing? Shame on you. Hey, close the thing. Oh, look it up. Oh, get in here. Oh, get in here. Okay, get in here. They fight constantly. I have to cover up everything in here. It's really muddy outside. And muddy, rainy. Come here, come here. Oh, oh, I love this. This is so amazing. This snuggles like this are the best. Mama love you too. Come on, come to Mama. Come to Mama. When they go to the bedroom, they like to steal a sock and run and chase them around each other. Wherever I go, they follow me like a little puppy, like you say. Yes, they are a puppy, but my goodness, they love me so much, they cannot live without me. I go in the kitchen, they go in the kitchen. I go to the bathroom, they sit by the door waiting me. And now they're gonna fight. No fight, you're on the camera. You're on the camera. They lose already so many teeth. I collect them all in a baggie. Yes. So that's my all day playground with puppies. And if you follow me on my other channel, Lovecraft Forever, I upload up their videos every single day. And by doing a crafts, if you like cross stitch maybe or diamond painting, please join me up there. Yeah, I have to kind of wait till they go sleep so I can record video. But they already were having a nap, good nap. Now I don't know, they're gonna be playing and fighting and playing and fighting. They like to go outside. Oh, they love sweet peppers, bell peppers, love vegetables. That's good. I give them a little bit just to try how... Hey, you literally... Hey, no... no biting, not throw. The other day they went for the 3rd shots already and the warmer. So they are all safe now. So if somebody in this area would love to have a puppy, please contact. Also, I have an ad on Kijiji. We did reduce price, and if nobody wants them for the price, I don't care because I would love to keep them anyway. So they make me happy. Oh, bless you, bless you. Okay, I have a few moments. Hey, come to Mama. I put a few short episodes because I thought it was so cute. Nobody here, but they bark. Okay, that's a barkers. How they snore. There's nobody here, so they bark for no reason sometimes. All right, I will be right back with some short clips for you to watch. That's a puppy. Look how he's sleeping upside down by the window there. Look at that. Look at his teeth. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh. Oh, big stretch. Oh, that's a big stretch. Can I ask you what are you doing? Hey! Are you comfortable on top of your brother? Oh, thank you. How long you gonna be fighting, two of you? It's almost 11. It's almost 11. Time to sleep. Look at you here. They just, oh, right on top of the head. How nice. Prince, get off of the bandit. Let's get this zipper kind of on the back in here. Puppy, stay. Oh, they playing with those cloth. Because the fur is grow, it's like a line go right in the center. This one doesn't have, but this puppy. Okay, Bandit, stay for a second. Look at this, because his fur is going to be longer. But this one puppy has a nice skirt like a Daisy have, like fancy pants. Show, I don't want to show pants. Anyway, this one looks like more body and that one like Daisy, because Daisy have like a nice long fur on the back of the legs. Maybe we can see now, like in here, and it's going to be like long. The other puppy has a short one, so this one definitely will pick like Daisy, will grow a long one. We try to lick it. This is Bandit, this is Prince, and they love me. And they love me, and I love them. Alright guys, have a good day everyone. Happy puppy day, every day.